Guys, today we're gonna make quick, simple coleslaw. You can use it as a side or you can put it on a sandwich. So, I'm talking about quick and simple. Go to the grocery store, get some pre-shredded cabbage. It's got red cabbage, white cabbage, and carrots. Let's not get fancy, guys. Okay, we're gonna make the sauce for it. Quickly. We've got some mayonnaise. Let's go ahead and scoop some out. We're gonna scoop out, let's say, here we go, a cup of mayonnaise, okay? You know what? Don't worry about putting the top back on. I'm gonna make measurements here because everybody wants a measurement. Let's see. I got some apple cider vinegar here, and I'm gonna go with about 1/8 of a cup for right now. Sugar, white granulated sugar. Same. Let's do 1/8 of a cup. Stir it up. Stir, stir, stir. It's a little grimy. Oh, sounds good. Hold on. I'm not even putting salt and pepper in this. This is how quick and simple it is. The acid in the vinegar is going to dissolve the sugar. Let me taste it. It's perfect. Now we're going to mix in the slaw. Here we go. Put the slaw in. I always like to put the slaw into the dressing. Stir it up. Look at that. So you can see, do we have more room? Do we need more dressing? What do we need? I think we got more room for more slaw. Look at this. Look how quick, simple, easy, perfect, nothing crazy in here. A little bit more. We probably, you know what? I am perfect. That was a whole pack. And it's perfect. Look at that. I am perfect. And this is perfect. And I'm going to taste it right now. And it is perfect.